We're going to take a quick moment and do a walkthrough of the Goodhope hub linking site. This is not a repeater site, but it is the SMLRS hub link site that connects the east repeaters to the west repeaters. We do that with a couple of link radios. We have one link radio that is connected to Crane by radio, and another radio that shoots to the Bendavis site, which is our main eastern hub. Below that we have a receive radio only that scans the Crane repeater, the Republic repeater, the 444.875 repeater in Springfield, and then a private simplex channel. And we can use that receive only radio to receive DTMF commands that we can change channels on the link radios. We can change the Crane link to the backup link of Republic, and also change it back to Crane. We can also disable the link between east and west as needed. A word on the hub, if you've never thought about it before, is notice that the Crane hub is on 442.15. That's the lowest frequency we could get for that site. And the Bendavis at 444.775 and Stockton at 444.975, we utilize the highest frequencies that we could get. We do that so that we can have a link radio that points to those sites with minimal interference. So we maximize frequency separation. Below that, we have our DC distribution fuse panel. We have the SCOM 7330 site controller, and then a 48 volt DC to 12 volt DC converter. And that's capable of 40 amps at 12 volts DC, and that is powered by a 420 amp hour battery bank, which is also backed up by a 25 kilowatt generator for this site. If you look at the back of the equipment rack here, you see the link radios with our antenna connections that go to the Yagis on the tower. We have our cooling fans mounted to the back of the radios, and these relays, even though we're not using the third one because we don't transmit on the control link, we have that option in the future. These activate and turn on the fans. The SCOM 7330, when it receives a signal, sends logic out of this port up to the relays, and the relays activate and allow 12 volts to power the fans. So the fans come on as soon as the radios start transmitting, and they stay on for 2 minutes after they stop transmitting to help cool them down quickly. Then we also have our 12 volt DC distribution fuse panel where we fuse all the equipment here, the back of the SCOM 7330, and then the back of the 12 volt DC converter. So that's pretty much the walkthrough of the Goodhope hub linking site. Again, it's something we don't normally talk about because it kind of sits in the background all the time. It is critical that we have this site to link Bendavis and Crane together, and also link the east and western sides of the SMLRS.